Surface area of prisms and cylinders. A net is a two-dimensional pattern that you can fold to form a three-dimensional figure. Or another way of thinking of it, it's a three-dimensional figure that has been unfolded into a flat figure. Let me show you how to draw a net for this prism. Okay, by the way, what kind of prism is this? The top is a triangle, the bottom is a triangle. Those would be the bases, and they're connected by rectangles. So this would be a, let me get my marker. This would be a triangular, there we go, triangular prism. And we're going to draw a net for it, okay? So what that means is you're unfolding this. So we start out with the bottom of it, which is shaped like that. See the bottom right here. The bottom has this side to it. I mean, attached to the bottom is this side. So we let it fold out like so. See, that's this side over here, the 15. So this would be a 15 right here. And then we've got this side over here. And it folds out like so. And the measurement of it was 12. I guess I should use different colors here. Let me see what we can do here. So we've unfolded these two sides over here, this side and this side. Now we've got the back side also. Let me get a different color for it. We'll do it with whatever this is right here. So we've got the back side, which is going to look something like this. Okay? And the measurement of it is 9. And the last thing that we're left with is the top of the triangle. So the top of the triangle would go right here. And you've drawn your net. So whenever you go to do this, you would fold up this side, fold up the 15, fold up the 12, they would meet. Then you would fold up the 9, and it would form the back of it. And when the 9 is folded up, that triangle goes to the top, and you fold it down, and you've got your three-dimensional figure again. So this is a net for the rectangle, for the triangular prism that we have right here. Okay? Draw a net for this prism. Okay, now let's look at this. We've got the bottom of it right here. So we draw the bottom. Then we've got this end. We'll do the ends with red. So we've got an end like so, and an end on this side over here. Alright, now we've taken care of this part. Alright, the ends and the bottom. Now we've got to take care of the sides and the top. Well, the sides will come out here like so. Okay, so when we fold this up, we've got the end folded up, the other end folded up, the side folded up, the side folded up, but we don't have the top. So you can put the top either here. Let me get rid of this and go for a different color. You can put the top right here. And that way, whenever you fold this side up, you fold one more time and you've got the top. Or you could have put it down here. It doesn't matter which, here or there, would have been fine. Find the surface area of this prism. Okay? Well, remember you've got two ends, two sides, and you've got a top and a bottom. Alright, let's look at this. The bottom is 9 by 12. So that means the top is going to be 9 by 12 also. So we go 9 by 12 times 2 because we've got a top and a bottom. The side is going to be 9 by 12. So you go 9 by 12 times 2 because you got two sides, and the ends are going to be 9 on the side here, 9, and then the bottom part of the end is 9, so it's going to be 9 by 2. So we figure this out. 9 times 9 is 81, times 2 is 162. 9 times 12 is 108, times 2 is 216. 9 times 12 is 108, times 2 is 216. We add these up. We get 2, 4, 5, 60, 70, 80, 92, 94, 594 centimeters squared. So the surface area is equal to 594 centimeters squared. Okay, find the surface area of this prism, okay? Pause the video, work it out, come back to me. Okay, we've got a top and a bottom. Top and a bottom. Let's look at this. The bottom is going to be 13 by 8. So we go 13 times 8 times 2. The sides are going to be 13 by 5. 13 by 5, and there's 2 of them. And then you've got the ends, which are going to be 8 by 5, 8 by 5, and there's 2 of them. So we go 13 times 8 is 104, plus times 2 is 208. 13 times 5 is 65, times 2 is 130. And 8 times 5 is 40, times 2 is 80. And we add all that up and we get 418 meters squared. The surface area is 418 meters squared. I sure hope you got that, did you?